welcome back to my channel. The other day I was watching on YouTube one of my favorite YouTubers. I don't know her name, but her YouTube channel is The Garden Answer, and she talks about all kinds of things, gardening, and she's just really knows all about gardening, and she also grew up in a nursery, so she knows her stuff. And she was saying how you need to have a thriller, a filler, and a spiller in your planters. So I took that recommendation and I headed over to my garden nursery to see what all I could find for my fall planters, and this is what I got. Okay, so this is my first planter I'm starting with, and we'll start from the top. Starting at top, this is a purple fountain grass. It's got these real pretty purple, I guess this is what they're calling the blooms to this. They look like cattails to me. And on the bottom, I didn't get really big thick ones because at my garden center these two mums are $2 and they're going to get bigger, and in Georgia we have a pretty long fall. So I figured I could go with something smaller and let it get bigger. And the first one, this is a golden mom. And the other one is a red cherry mom. And of course both of them, this one hadn't started blooming yet, but it will soon. And this right here is my granddaughter's favorite. Every time she sees it, she calls it Elsa's flowers. This is a Dusty Miller. And this is my first time ever. I've always seen them. I've always wanted to do one, and I finally got one. This is an ornamental kale. This stuff that is a spiller, I forgot the name. It's something I've had in my yard. As you can see, I've got it everywhere. So I just dug up some and stuck it in here. I forgot the name of them. If you do know the name, put it in the comments below, because I just forgot. I don't know what the name of it is. And the pot, let me get down here. The pot I got from Lowe's. And then we have another cherry red, bigger version of the mom down here. But that is my container. This is my first multiple plants in one pot container. Well, no, not my first, but my first that looks this good that I'm so proud of. And see, there's another one. And this here, watching The Garden Answer on YouTube, she put peppers in her fall planter. They weren't these exact peppers, but when I saw these at the garden center, I grabbed them. Look at that color. You got orange, purple, you got bright colors, light colors, yellow. Oh, I just loved them. And I'm walking out and I'm putting it in a pot, and this lady goes, those are really hot. I was like, I'm not planning on eating them. But again, in the middle we have our golden moms. And down below that we have our Dusty Millers. And we have two more of the ornamental kale. And then we have some more of these that I forgot the name of. Sorry. But that is all that I have got so far. And I will, if I get any more or plant any more, I'll let you know. But that is my fall planters for this year. I hope you love this. I am so proud of these. I love them. And again, they're not as full and thick as you see them because I bought the cheaper ones. But give it 2 weeks. I fertilize these. They're going to be just overcome in this pot. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour of my little pots. That's actually a very big pot. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe. So I will see y'all later. Bye.